Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, now I've got the back wheel off the ground, and what I'm going to do is rotate this wheel so that's way too loose there, but it's won't go to the next sprocket. I'll just I don't think I can pull it to, so it has to go there, and so the spring is going to go there, so I need to bring this forward one. So I need to move the wheel in forwards so that will sit into here, and then also adjust for the right amount of slack, and then I can put the pin in. Okay, so it says first thing it says to do is remove the split pin from the cast-layered nut. Well, this just seems to have a nylon washer, and that side it says put a screwdriver through there to stop it turning. So I will just get I might need a long screwdriver.